Season's greetings and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. The smell of Christmas is in the air, and today we're making the ultimate easy holiday treat. This recipe for candy cane pretzel bark is a holiday classic for a reason. It's only 3 ingredients, no baking required, and it makes the perfect last-minute gift or party snack. So let's grab your apron, melt some chocolate, and get this holiday party started. Okay, I'm starting out with a large baking sheet and I've covered it in foil. Make sure you tuck in the foil around the edges of the pan so it doesn't wiggle back and forth when we start to use it. I'm using the waffle style pretzels. Now you can use any type of pretzel you want. I'm using this type because you get more bites of pretzel in every piece. I'm going to spread them all over this pan in a single layer. Okay, we've got it completely covered. We'll save the broken ones for us to munch on later. And now I'm going to start melting my chocolate. Now you can do it in the microwave if you want, or you can do it over a double boiler like I'm going to do. Just set this aside. Now I have 2 10-ounce bags of chocolate chips. I'm using a little bit, they're like little chocolate wafers rather than small chips, but either way you're looking at 20 ounces of chocolate. Whether you're using chocolate chips or you're using candy melts, either one will work. You can use chocolate, you can use white chocolate, you can use a combination of the two. It's up to you. I'm using dark chocolate just because I like the contrast between this and the peppermint. Okay, the chocolate, you can see it's nice and smooth. Now we're just going to bring back our tray of pretzels and we're going to pour it over the top. Now I'm just going to pour my chocolate all over. And then I'm just going to use an offset spatula to spread it over everything. I'm trying to do it sort of easily so I don't jostle around the pretzels underneath. Just want to get them all covered. Now this recipe is so easy. This is the easiest candy in the world. Now it's fantastic any time of year. Just leave the candy canes off the top of it. And you can have it in the summer, in the spring. You can put other things on top if you want to, in fact. But you'll be surprised at how fast it disappears. Now I have some crushed candy canes, just candy canes that I've hammered in a plastic bag. And I'm going to just sprinkle them all over the top. Now if you wanted to, you could add peppermint extract to your chocolate, but I kind of like it better without it because you can easily get it too strong. Now we're just going to let this set up. You can leave it out on your counter for a while, or you can stick it in the fridge if you want to speed it up. When it's done, we'll come back, we'll pull the foil out, and we'll break it into pieces, and it'll be ready for you to serve. Okay, our chocolate's all set. All I'm going to do now is loosen it from the foil, and as I go, I'm just going to break it up. Break it up in whatever size pieces you want. I'm going to use about bite-sized pieces, and then it's ready to serve. And there you have it. By the time you put it out, it'll just about disappear, but it's so easy to make. You can make another batch in just a couple of minutes.